Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial. Let's learn a new eye makeup look and taking the brown color with the help of flat applicator, applying to the outer edges of the eye in the shape of V or inward direction, adding colors, giving more depthness. Now with the help of blending brush, blending the color to the outer edges of the eye. Again taking the flat applicator, again giving more depthness to the color. Taken the black color, darkest brown, giving more depthness. Blending it in circular movement. Now taking the lightest brown color, and with the help of flat applicator, depositing it to the inner corner. Giving more depthness to the color. Now taking the golden pressed glitter eyeshadow from the palette Pretty All Set UCANBE, and applying it to the inner corner of the eye. You can see. Now taking the Charmwork Beauty Ka Metallic Liquid Glitter in the shade Golden. It gives you the natural glittery eye, as you can see. Taking the flat applicator. Now blur out the crease line. See the look after lashes. You can use this eye makeup for bridal eye. And moving on, next step, have to do under eye, and for this I have taken the kajal pencil of Charmwork Beauty in the color white. Moving on, next smudging the under eye with the darkest brown color, smudging the outer under eye. See how connected it look now. Now using the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye. The white color in the lower lash line will make your eye bigger. The black color will make your eye smaller. So here is the final look you can see. Thank you so much for watching me, and bye bye. Take care. Keep practicing.